So you want to travel the world full time, and you're here because you want to know how to do it, what it looks like. Well, let me tell you right off the bat, it is all about you. There is no right way, it's only your way. Is it really possible? Well, of course it is. Do you have to be rich? Far from it. I travel long term full time. That's why I could just kick myself for not doing this sooner. And that's what I want to talk to you about, how to really create that full time travel lifestyle that you want. And I'll tell you, I'll be honest with you, one of the key reasons why I'm becoming a digital nomad is because I can save money traveling the world versus staying right here in the States.